Be sure to punch your ticket to financial freedom. Hey everyone, it's Carl here, and welcome to my channel where we talk about entrepreneurship and making money online. In this video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing and how it can be your ticket to financial freedom. Section 1. What is affiliate marketing? First things first, let's define what affiliate marketing is. In short, affiliate marketing is a form of online marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale you generate. Section 2. Why choose affiliate marketing? So why should you consider affiliate marketing? Well, for starters, it's one of the most flexible and low-cost businesses you can start. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. Plus, there's no limit to how much money you can earn with affiliate marketing, as it's all based on your efforts. Section 3. How to get started with affiliate marketing. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is and why it's a great opportunity, let's talk about how to get started. First, you need to choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about and have a demand for products. Next, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program or network and start promoting products to your audience. Section 4. Tips and strategies for affiliate marketing success. To be successful with affiliate marketing, there are a few tips and strategies you should follow. First, focus on building trust and providing value to your audience. This means only promoting products that you truly believe in and that align with your niche. Second, be patient and persistent. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a long-term business that requires effort and dedication. Section 5. FAQ. Before we wrap up, let's answer some frequently asked questions about affiliate marketing. How much money can I earn with affiliate marketing? How long does it take to see results with affiliate marketing? Do I need a large audience to be successful with affiliate marketing? How do I find affiliate products to promote? Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Affiliate marketing can be your ticket to financial freedom, and with the right mindset and strategies, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business that gives you the ultimate freedom and control over your financial future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, click on the link in the description to begin your path to success. Be sure to comment.